Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook Messenger problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Messenger. And if there is an update, you need to update your Messenger application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list. And here you need to search for Messenger. Okay, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go into the permissions and allow all permissions, and then you need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in into your account on Messenger. Okay, and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top left and click on switch account, and you can easily switch account. So this is the process by which you can fix Messenger login problem on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.